And that was day 2 of Comic Con. I think I had a fair bit more fun with this than in my normal Zombie Trooper. It was just pretty cool to do something different, and yeah, we did look good. If you haven't seen day 1 of Comic Con and want to see what I got up to, link is just over here. It's the Zombie Trooper coming out again for Halloween. Don't forget, if you like what I do, you can subscribe to the channel, and if you want, you can also support me on Patreon. So special thanks has to go out to Jeff Kenny and Mortarian for pledging to have their names shouted out on my videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video as always. May the Force be with you.